Hey y'all, I don't even know if my bun was cute. Hold on, let me go around slow. You see them curls? Y'all see them curls though? Them curls? All right, so hey y'all, and welcome to Cal Unique, where we're all about creating and cultivating natural beauty you can be proud of. Okay? If you're new to Cal Unique and you would like to become a part of Unique Beauty Squad, please subscribe below, then comment. Let me know you new so that I can give you a personalized welcome. All right, now that we got that out the way, let's dive right into this thing. So I just got from under the dryer, rinsed out my little deep conditioner situation. And y'all know I usually use this shirt because it helps it dry and it's not as much friction as a towel. And I just kind of put my hair in 4 sections. I already applied leave-in conditioner, and y'all know my go-to is Shea Moisture, the Strengthen and Restore. I actually need more because I'm almost completely out. But I'm gonna do a slick back bun today. And I really don't have a lot of time because I have somewhere to be. But this is kind of like a quick go-to style. And ooh, my hair smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. That TGI got me right. Okay. And the leave-in. It did soak in though. The trick to getting your leave-in to soak in pretty fast, do it either while you're in the shower rinsing it out, or as soon as you finish rinsing it out using whatever sink or bowl, you apply right away. Go through it one more time. Remember to go ends first and then the roots. My hair is not as long as it used to be, so I don't have to be as cautious because my ends aren't that far away from my roots. So I'm just going through. I don't even know if this stuff is gonna, this is my first time doing a slick back bun with my hair cut. And just some tools, a brush, another brush. First things first, I'm gonna make sure that whatever rubber bands I plan to use today have plenty of oil on them. Literally all I'm gonna do is I have some rubber bands and I'm gonna put oil in them. All my rubber bands have oil. And it's gonna help with the breakage portion of things. Going in with the Wetline Xtreme. And it's gonna need some extra love and attention. Number one, because usually I have lots of heat damage to keep it straight, but this time I don't. So that's one side. And I'm gonna part it a little bit, put a little bit of that gel farther back. I'll add here too. Boop. Now we gotta actually manipulate it to do what I needed to do. Try to be careful with the brush. Okay, see that side? Okay, got one side. And sometimes I'll leave out like this much. So I've directed it pretty much where I want it to go. basically I'm just gonna finish putting it all back. I'm gonna just pull out the bun or the poof to kind of stretch it out a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my oiled up rubber bands. And it's really not about making it tight, because I'm gonna tell you the truth, I don't like nothing tight on my head. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Gorilla Snot. So I definitely forgot this style takes as much as it does, but what I'm gonna do now is just go through the top with a blow dryer while I work on my face. Okay, so here I am again, finished look. I put on a little brow action and y'all know how that goes. So I tied my hair down with a rapid styling strip. I think I showed y'all that. I tied it down and threw on a little bit of a lash and a brow and a, you know, I don't even have nothing on my lips right now. I don't know. I've been running, okay? I've already been out and back. But I just gotta show y'all these curls. Like, these curls for the girls. It's been a minute. I ain't never had these. Never had no curls like this, ever. So, yeah, that's all. If you like this video and would like to see more, please hit like and then subscribe to your girl's channel. Okay? All right. Love you. Bye-bye.